This is my picture of Bridget. I'm on my knees, holding her in a giant box that says Box Queen on it. Bridget is super happy, and I am just expectant. I just can't take it anymore. Oh, God. I just can't take it anymore. I'm like, oh, can't do this anymore. Bert's just super happy. So, oh, and it's my mess ups. Mess ups up there. That's for Bridget.